Lesson number 2, Users of Financial Information. Hello guys, kumusta mga kaibigan? In this lesson, we are going to learn how does accounting produce financial information, who are the different users of financial information, and lastly, how does each user use the financial information provided by accounting. How does accounting produce financial information? It all starts with the financial data. These data come from the events that took place in the business. Data are raw facts. They are not useful. So we need to convert them into something useful, which we call financial information. To do that, we need to put it into a process, and that process is called accounting. The different steps involved in accounting will be discussed thoroughly in a separate lesson, so don't you worry. After undergoing the process, the financial data becomes financial information contained in the financial reports. So if someone asks you what is the final output of the accounting process, the answer is the financial reports containing financial information. Accounting is storytelling of business events. It provides financial information about how the business operated. All the hard work just to convert the financial data to financial information would be useless if no one will use them. Who benefits from the financial reports produced by accounting? The first one, we have the owners. The owners own the business. They are the ones to establish it, and they are the ones who will do everything to make it successful. They invested their own money in the hopes of making more money. We also have creditors. Sometimes a business needs more money that the owner cannot provide, or they need products but they cannot pay them immediately. In this case, a creditor comes in handy. The creditor lends money or provides goods or services to them without paying for them immediately. The business then becomes a debtor. The third one, we have the management. The management oversees the operation of the business. In small businesses, the management is usually the owner or owners, but in large corporations, the owners hire competent people to manage their business. They are normally the highest paid employees of the company. We also have government. Government agencies like BIR, or the Bureau of Internal Revenue, and SEC, or the Securities and Exchange Commission, require financial reports of businesses submitted to them. And lastly, we have everybody else. Everybody else may include employees, community, business associations, etc. Among these users, much importance is given to the owners and creditors. Why? Because they are the providers of capital. They make the operation of the business possible. How does each user use the financial information provided by accounting? The owners want to know if their investments are doing good. Creditors want to know if the business can repay their loans. Management want to know if they are managing the business well. The government want to determine the correct taxes and if the business has complied with the rules. Everybody else has many reasons to use financial information about a business. In our next lesson, we are going to learn more about how each user uses financial information provided by accounting. So guys, see you in lesson number 3.